Welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Deepti Jose. Today we will be covering the topic on how to use cleanse transformation in cloud. We already have a separate video on the overview of cleanse asset in cloud in case you are new to cleanse asset. The link to that video can be seen in the reference section of this presentation. The agenda of the video is to give you an understanding on how to use cleanse asset in a mapping, followed by a short demo. A cleanse asset is a set of one or more data transformation steps that can standardize the form and content of your data. It can have various instances where data can be modified. These assets are available to users who create mapping and data integration. Users can add cleanse transformation to a mapping and add a cleanse asset to that transformation. When the data integration user runs the mapping, the cleanse transformation applies the cleanse asset logic to the input fields and generates an output field that you can connect to a downstream transformation. A cleanse asset is a reusable object and can be added to cleanse transformation in multiple mappings. Cleanse transformation is non-reusable. Cleanse asset is read-only object in data integration. It changes only when the asset is updated in data quality. If cleanse asset is updated, the transformation must be synchronized with the cleanse asset. To synchronize, open the transformation in the mapping and select cleanse properties. DI displays a message that prompts you to synchronize the transformation with cleanse asset. Now we will move on to the demo. I have already created a cleanse asset in data quality for our demo. It has 3 instances performing various cleansing actions. First one is to convert the letters to title case. Second one has 2 steps. It converts the letters to uppercase and also removes multiple spaces from the input. Third one is for replacing a string. It checks for the word man and replaces it with the new value male. To create a mapping, choose Data Integration as the product, click on New, click on Mapping. You can give any name for your mapping. Choose a location where you want to save the mapping. Click on Source, give a name for your source. Here, you can select from the connections available. Choose the object which you want to load. Here I am choosing cleanse source.txt. Click OK. Here you can provide your formatting options. You can also preview your data using the Preview Data button here. You can add a cleanse transformation to the mapping. Go to Cleanse. Choose the cleanse asset from the location. Here you can see the input fields. Go to Field Mapping. You can assign the fields from source to the corresponding input fields in the cleanse transformation. If you want, you can do a data preview here. Run preview. Now go to Target and configure the target details. You can choose your target details here. Go to incoming fields. Here you can give your selection criteria. Here I am including only certain columns. Go to field mapping and map the cleanse output to the target fields. Now you can validate the mapping and save it. Proceed to run the mapping. The mapping has completed the running and we can see that it was a success. Rows processed is equal to 2 and target rows is equal to 2. Now I will show you the output file that got created. Here as you can see, John and Will has got converted into title case. Smith has been converted into uppercase. Extra spaces has been removed from these fields. The value man was converted into male. The first and second column was converted or it got merged into a full name and address field is retained. Kindly refer the document in this link for more information on cleanse asset. You can also refer the video KB link. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.